Hey everyone, it's Erin Photo here, and I am here setting up for the week of the 18th through the 24th of February. My future mother-in-law is going to be in town for part of this week, so and I think we have the 18th off, and I'm also going to be doing a little bit of a Dutch door. So Journaling Your Way has kind of a series where they give you kind of a prompt and then you do it in your style, your way, whatever. So I am going to do a Dutch door in my style. It's going to go along with the theme with the heartbeat. So I'm going to go ahead, get started, speed you through, and see you at the end. Alright, so keeping it pretty simple for this week, I have kind of a week overview that's here on this side that I can see if my Dutch door is open on this side or on this side. So that is one of the benefits of having a Dutch door, and I haven't done that a ton, so I like the look of that, and I love the rhythm, which thank you to the person that told me that this is also called the tracing. So I'll have that comment up here, so thank you, big shout out to you. And I'm going to put the weather up here in this corner, but it's been very chaotic. I don't really know a better way to describe that here in the Northeast. It's been just highs and lows all the time. and currently it is snowing. I think it's supposed to snow again this weekend. Who knows for next week. So I am kind of leaving it up there. So I'm going to incorporate the weather into my header. That way I know what to wear in terms of a light jacket or a more robust jacket. So that's it for my setup for this week. I hope you guys like this. What kind of Dutch door do you guys like? Do you like the horizontal ones? Do you like the vertical ones? Personally, I'm really liking the vertical ones right now. So let me know in the comments below if you've even tried a Dutch door or if it's something that looks like it's interesting to you and what type you like. So I will see you on Friday, everyone. Bye.